Previously on its
You're not here already.
Think, sir. I'll check.
Don't you?
You're good. Yeah. It's not right there.
man.
I don't know.
Me a de good now, no.
Hey, boy.
Landlord!
No landlord. Where my money there?
Eh? Where the money no, you know?
Where money there?
Me not have no money,
Hey,
no
boy,
boss.
put on here and I think a police a search, man. Where money there, brown man? Where money there?
Boss, me not have money, no boss. Me no think tough. You understand? Me not have money, no
Brown
man.
man.
Me not have money, no boss.
Man, I talk to you about this.
You can't take my phone, my life you take when you sorry.
Brown man. Go.
But
Go take your bag out.
If I take my phone, if you get
Take
money.
your bag out of my house, brown man. Come out. Go, sir. Eh? Look on the place. Eh? If you know say one big man live here. Eh? You think the man can rule me in this here? Eh? So, hey, brown man, you don't want to play with me in here, no? Eh? I'm going to sell all the phone for little or nothing. Come back, you can ask me feet.
Boy, I tell you.
I know the girl is lucky, you know. Lucky somebody have all my 3-star for me, you know. Just true when me I go look for love of my life. Me not bring no war, you know, man. Never they expect that, you know. But I guess they say you have to expect it unexpected. But you not go say, you know. You not go so. Get before the sun.
Today, from morning, I not get no message.
Brittany, you did talk about message. I want your attention right now. You remember a competition I tell you about last night?
Yeah, I remember
At today, no, at today. That the competition you go keep.
Today?
So I want you bear in mind, me no want you make Fallon win as much as me and her friend too. You understand what me I say?
I understand what I say. So, I ask you a question. What kind of competition?
Me can't tell you what kind of competition, Brittany. That would be cheat. As a matter of fact, me have a number, me think about somebody when I go call. I go call somebody and make that person host it for me. Do everything. You understand? So you don't have to worry yourself, you will manage.
Just make sure say me can manage everything.
You will manage, Brittany, and nothing too hard. So I go link Fallon right now and finalize everything. And then when I come back, I make you know if you get ready and so. Alright?
Alright then.
Just go and think about it, you know, come on. Why you winning a Brittany? God, no.
Alright. Hurry up and come back and let me know what go on.
Yeah.
Fallon! Fallon!
But you fool gone over the second talk to Fallon, man.
I want experience in you know.
Experience too.
You know some land.
Me not in a mood.
Imagine if you tell me a cousin, I can't help me. Me not know if you
Family and
live.
family, I know Philip, you know when they're for your stay, I think a Salvation Army are come to help us this.
Me know say no come to help us, but they must have so we can.
No, when
cook
they
now.
have you. C4 could they sleep in night. C4 them, they go and stay with them. They not leave, go help them leave.
Come like today is a bad day for me.
Every day you come here, you come here for send for name now, you come here from 50 stay.
You can't stay here.
But for me, I know if you sleep, you know.
No, we
me
not.
have a big bag with clothes and everything in it, you know.
If you put your out, sleep on the road.
You know, space. No bed bottom.
Live like a madman. Cardboard will help you.
See, say if you're not in a family, you're not bed.
Go on now. Go on, man. Go on. You know what I'm saying? Me can't help you.
It's alright, man.
Look here. You never did help me before. You never did help you. A chap lad always a sweep up your yard. You don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, relax, man. Me tell you, don't go to follow
When?
like, but now pay attention to me, I call you.
What a man like, man.
To follow him, brother. You come like you know, sister following you now,
Brother, right, man, a problem right now, brother. I need something to stay, bro.
Brother, this place, I can't go and catch in that car, you know. Best place, is it?
Watch up, me, I tell you, you better not, you know.
Can't take out this as still, is it?
Take out, you know, man.
No, man, I can't catch it.
Take out, you, man. In. Don't rain out with me.
No, man, right now, it's a
Rain out with me, you know, man.
Just keep the pan, we put pan so you're not going to leak. You see it, the water can run out.
John,
Over there,
no.
so. You see me?
I don't tell you, say, Chappy, you know, I tell you, say, you know, I hide from my landlord and go in, you know. In a real life, you know, say, catch me. Who do I blank my shit in the hand, Chappy? Man, take out my phone in the daddy.
So, another fight?
No, show me no what in chat me. I have to take out my phone and game.
Right, rough, man, you know.
Chappy really rough, you know.
Rough, man, I tell you.
And Chappy again, he worse his thing. We can't call him a girl him again, Chappy.
Brother, talk about girl, brother. Which girl, brother? You don't have no girl, brother. Don't talk about girl, okay? You
Chappy, no me have girl bro them, Chappy. No me have every link for the girl.
Me never see your power with no girl. Me never see your power with no girl.
Chappy, so much time phone ring on me there side of your Chappy.
Last time ring a landlord call you. Remember? Last time ring a landlord call.
So no breakfast, nothing, you know cook.
You see Falan face? Falan come in, bakes for last night. I said, I see me go by yourself, me composure.
If it was low man business, I look, man business no fear.
Man, if we get over, man, she good, you know. It's like all around here that I can go and rake it up. You see me, just make Falan feel. You know me do it already.
I'm willing to
Wash
do
up
it,
the
you
plate
know.
and think. Me no want she come in and cuss and I say,
Yeah, man.
You come in and nasty the place and them things, you see me?
I understand, bro. Long as food I cook, man, I'm willing for work.
Yeah, man, I them thing there.
You say, tell us say no there. What kind of message that me I come to you about? Me say, tell us say no there. And since when me and you live so, me come to talk to you. Because me hear about what going on with you and Brittany, you know. Big fat. Sorry about that. Sorry, I chap lad. Sorry about that. My blood a boil. Falan, listen to me. Me come to talk.
My blood boil out,
Me
Jayo.
realize that you and Brittany have
If
big
you cut
fight
me
over
right
that.
now, you're not find a dip of blood in me.
Falan, listen what me I say. You and Tax grow up. As friends, you never know you have so much feelings, but since past that now, and he reached to a level where you and Brittany.
You want next one to you know? You want next one to you come like brother Anansi, you know? You come like you want me jack up on two sides, I mean, you know that?
Me and the two of our friends, so what you want me to do take side? Me can't take no side, because I don't know if none on the side broad enough for one.
Me back brother, me have blue boot.
Well, here one me
I mash up that up and shop at the other night, you know?
Falan, you know worth it.
Oh, you mean
So, when you mash up Brittany, no, me can't allow it to one for a fight, Falan.
Right now, him feel say, he no worth it for me fight over him. He must no worth nothing then.
Falan, stop right there so and respect on yourself. You hear what me I say?
Me respect
Listen to
myself. That's why
Listen
me
to
a fight.
Me I will come up with a solution for this. Me don't talk to Brittany already.
You could have found Patex, you could have found
Falan,
Crazy
me
Glue.
only want you to agree.
Glue me and Tax together. Yeah,
You can't
Siamese
hold
twin,
a-
yeah.
Listen, this game I go glue you and Tax together. If you win,
We go connected by
That
your brain.
if you
Like
win.
Siamese twin connected by your brain.
listen, you are go work your brain. You see?
Alright, tell me what I say.
You see, we are go set a
She know that don't mean something else.
We are
up
go
here,
set
you know.
a time. No, Falan, you don't need to have me up and me I take your man.
But
Falan,
you are
don't
the
make me
girl, a
change
friend
my mind.
too.
Don't make me change my mind. Me I have
Change your
friend
mind.
too. Me
Aye.
have. Me will left you make you fight till you not dead enough. And
Fight you
just
which
done
day?
business.
Long
you
as
know.
me get him and me.
And then Tax
Me
now
fight
go
for him.
on
Me
and on.
fight for still. Him can't get rid of me.
Falan, calm down. Me
China,
and your friend.
he
and
can't
friend.
get
Calm
rid
down.
of me.
Me didn't come here for cuss.
Wrong somebody.
Falan, me not come for cuss. Me come for talk to you. You ready for we talk now?
You don't know me go through, you know? You don't understand, you know?
You ready for we talk now? You ready for
You
we
know
talk?
why you know what me I say? That's why me hear what you are say.
Afterwards, you tell me. Listen. Me have one little competition where me I go put on.
Me I hear you.
I just want a little game to figure out which one I wanna think you
Game
know
when
the
me win
man
already.
best.
Game.
Me not gonna tell you
Me
what
win him
it
already. Me
is.
feel me him already. Me don't want no
Me
game.
not gonna, so since you there on him from ever since and you claim say you're a man, you're supposed to know enough about him.
Him never know, but him
Teach
know
us
now.
everything. You understand? So you see, I just want a little test. Me I go put on a through and fall, and if you fail, you lose him, man.
No, Shayna,
If
me and your
they-
friend.
they-
Watch you know, me and remember say me and your friend you know say me do lose, just make him me win him same way.
No fear of fear and hunger and me no
Fear
know
and
from
square,
me. No
Shayna.
fear of fear.
Fear of
because
fear,
guess
what?
what? You see all the
You
game.
must
I
have
go
fight
play
out one
out.
again, though.
No fight now. Go on out because
Yep.
all the game I go play out, Fallon. You I go understand everything and you go have to accept your winnings or you're losing. So you agree for me move on with the game.
Shayna, when anyway you take it, anyway you
Me
take it.
say if you agree.
Yeah, me agree, Shayna, but
Okay.
anyway you take it. Me know where in my brain already.
Win, draw or lose, you still want him.
You don't worry yourself.
Alright, Fallon.
I see all them at 2 out there enough. They
You
come.
see, as soon as you feel like you calm down a bit and you're ready, just link me.
Me see the family I worst thing to you know, them a bad influence.
Them a laugh off of you. You make them a laugh off of you. Me come to put a stop into that. So just work with me and work with you. You know me?
Them
I
for the laugh till their kingdom come.
me
You know
have
what
to
me
go
want?
around cause right now his son hot. Think about
I
what
him
me
know
tell
what I
you,
him me
say.
after. Me I forget him, Shayna.
Think about-
Shayna, me
Me
heart
check
now
your back
humble.
later, you
Shayna,
hear?
me heart have a second.
Later me I check your back. Prepare yourself for the
Me
game.
prepare already. Yep, me prepare.
When you see me
Just-
come with
just check me
Britney,
back.
don't start the fight. Make the game flow.
Shayna, just tell the girl to shut up when she come.
Hold on, later. You
Shayna, tell the girl to even look for me bad now.
Think more what me tell you, say no. Remember, no. Watch all this.
I want me walk this cause we say my chopper. You see him foot hang out 5 slippers? No girl no want him.
And this a cousin, me say, he did I look me one time, you know. But one piece of dirty bicycle, me have to run him and tell him, say, me don't want
I
him.
saw no hype on tan, man.
Move and go away. And Trim see one next youth to talk to me. Him tax friend, he see they talk to me. He might come raise a conflict. Me have to
Nothing
run
alright,
him
man.
away.
Do
Go
ya do,
about your
man.
business.
Alright,
You run
man.
in front of our place.
No hype on
Dirty
boss, you am
foot,
broke
boy.
now, what?
You lucky and I see me clean. Oh,
So, you don't look na female, eh?
Well, one time that, you know, nothing
So,
no.
female look like he hot for you, know, but like you tell her something.
I'm broke and paparazzi and the money, right? Now we take a 5 grand and buy it and give her. I saw them
the
tan.
money.
Bro.
Me say, anyhow, Nick never did a hold me. This the girl there, me mash up her face. Me mash she up. Oh, come and laugh, I'm gonna run joke with people. She feel like she want to go warm me up, a man, me no want her.
Alright. I go Fallon agree, you know. I go tell Britney that Britney can dress up and then me prepare up the table and everything, fix up the place.
Oi! Girl! Come in. Me say me there get ready in case there's something still a go on.
Well, no, you not to bother say in case because it still go on. Me link Fallon and she agree.
Oh, she agree.
So, you want more you have to do? Dress up yourself nice. You still not eat yet.
Listen, I that me a wearing a pants and a shirt then put on a little wig, that's all.
You want go on. Me, I go fix up the place in the meantime. You not to bother eat nor drink nothing. Just ready and forward. Not take too long in a break.
No, me
I
ready.
know your style.
Me done come out the week already, me just saw Harley and I put on the clothes and step out.
Alright, do that.
So which part me fit forward?
Run a big yard.
Big yard, alright,
Yes.
go on.
Make sure you win, you know.
Right,
Me
yes,
after here.
Then I must. Alright. Hurry up and get ready. Put on the wig here. Just can't go over the bump here. You know what? Me put on my clothes first. Wig here safe last.
Watch ya. You know, see a Fallon man go link. Me glad to me see you, you know.
She over there.
Alright, here one. Me not go bother go over there. Me go give her a message for her. Tell her, say, if you link me over big yard, cause me I go over there, me I go and set up and things. She know what me I talk
So if
about.
you tell her, say if you link you up a big
You
yard.
link me over big yard.
Alright.
Tell her if you ready and forward. You
No,
can-
no.
Yeah, you can forward too if you want forward. Here.
Alright. Yeah.
Money.
Fallon.
What's up, lad? What?
Shayna say.
What me know?
Shayna say if you come on a big yard.
For what?
Something we that tell about this morning.
She tell me like she never care about the message herself.
No, man say if you come on a big yard and you never tell her if you come. So if you come on a big yard.
So yeah, me a follow you go back round there.
And if you come too.
So you already know what now?
Yeah.
So me Alright, come on. So me can go on in front me.
Yeah, go lick me.
No, I'm gonna walk side of me then.
Yeah, bad man.
You want?
Brown man.
We are come with that walk list boy there for now.
Yeah, me go up on the road, you come. Yo! I go up on the road, you come. Follow now, we are with up, man. Follow now, we are with up, man. Follow, give me water, man.
You cup, man, not him.
Yo, far away, brother. You ready? You come here now.
Why you make him a stay here for you now? He woke up earlier than he fall, them and want to sit the finiam. Come out of your room. Watch him. Not even wash face and brush teeth.
Alright, pre man, and I see me I'm a general there and I'm anxious, you know, man.
Well, me come to make you know, say, the competition will start any moment from now.
Yeah, do a man anxious look like he left all in glass around there.
You know where them, man. I'm going to find him.
So you're going to need glasses for seeing a competition, which one I girl them you want?
No, I just choose, you know, when I'm looking at me and captivate me.
Oh,
It's hard for me to choose, understand?
General anxious ready right now.
Me gonna have a judge, so whether with your glass or
What
without
time?
your
What
glass.
time?
I want to get ready and come. Me I go prepare up the place.
Done ready already.
Yes, everything ready, you know.
Everything, me I go set the table. The table not set yet, so everything else ready. The judge is on his way and all of that.
Yeah,
Follow and I get ready. Me left Brittany round the yard. I get ready same way.
You know if you say 40 man, boss, you hear?
We're short, man.
You have to be right, you know.
Round a big yard.
Big yard.
But I punk out the thing, you know.
Me not punk out, man.
What do you
I
man?
said,
So,
babes, I call.
how do you know if you say 40 man? Me and the general there go on
Just
easy,
hurry
man.
up and come.
Let's go and go set up things, man. Father, you see what I go on right pre with the other pan, brother. Right now, but like how you sharpen up yourself, but just you have to just do it right now, you know, my friend. Right now, me I drink off this around me, you know, because right now, more mash up a mission, you know. You don't know, you know.
Drink off this, man. See him too.
Hurry up, yeah, man, because right now, I don't know me. I know me, I'm ready right
I
now.
go for my glass and forward.
Hurry up, yeah, man.
Judge, I take long door. You try remember, say I pay my money, you know. Them girl I get scourge. Them I get with their small cake. Not too brawling, you see a bowl, you know, I think said. Alright, I see it here for you, judge. Right, this so that don't look bad.
Hey, excuse me, lady. Am I in the right places? I'm in the right places. Hey, lady, there's one thing I really want to know first. The first thing I'd like to know, welcome. First thing I'd like to know is there, can you put some money on the table, please? Let me
No
see some money.
problem, no problem.
You know I work for
I
the
got
money.
my money.
Okay. Can you let
And
me see
listen,
this? Okay.
I want you to judge this game fairly.
Shayna.
Fairly with some
Shayna,
nice
excuse me, Shayna.
vibes into
Excuse
it,
me,
okay,
Shayna.
sir?
Please, can you give me a minute, Shayna, please?
Okay,
This
sir.
money only can buy me for maybe 15 minutes, Shayna.
Sir, you haven't done the job as yet.
So I'm
You're
getting
not
more money.
even started.
So I'm getting more money when I'm
After the
finished.
show, after the show.
It was nice. You can continue speaking now, Shayna.
I was saying,
Yeah.
I want my show to be very spicy.
I'm
okay?
going to turn it up for you.
Make
I'm
sure.
going to turn it up. Let's get
Okay.
it going. Get the
Let's
people.
get,
Get
okay,
the people. This is my
they
seat.
should be here in a minute. I'm gonna check.
Is this my seat?
That's your seat, so feel comfortable, alright?
Definitely.
Okay. I'll be
Okay.
back. Give me a second.
Okay. Money make me comfortable, okay? Okay. Mhm.
Girl, you may look for too long. You know you were going to request the park. Blow
Yeah,
fire.
me you know one. But that
You know say a chopper thing, so you know say a chopper life.
this one me have to
Sorry,
say.
if you get in all of that, you know.
Only thing,
But
look
what?
here, the hottest thing me did when everything
Lord
take
Jesus,
place.
but the way you talk about, you did it.
Up and here, me did and the youth then forward.
Jesus,
And they say me
please.
to run.
So that means you could have dead to Brittany.
The man then say me to run, so me run. Me couldn't stay back, me couldn't help him.
God, Brittany. Why this?
You're rough
I know
still.
say it could have happened in them lives, but me not tell a lie. Me never did look for that to happen.
Never da look for that for happen at all. Man,
Me say-
so you do?
What person I want to come go, like, you see the guy me there walk with the night?
Yeah.
Yeah, he have a friend there. Yeah, one girl we keep on a push up for herself, like,
Me didn't know she. Yeah, she not left from him. So me don't know how you and
keep
him are gonna
on.
make out this.
Game, look here, them a say something like one game thing, like,
Like what kind of
pay
game?
one game or something like that, who for win him or something like that.
So
basically-
what you are trying to tell me, say? You have to play one game to win him, and if you lose him, if you lose the game, you not get him. What kind of game that they Britney?
Well, I just do it because I don't want no woman feel like
So Britney,
they
you're
can't
really
take
so
the money.
desperate. That's why I'll play a game.
I'm not really desperate, and the thing is, I don't want that the girl to look down for me in a certain type of way. You get
No,
me? So yeah,
this
that.
serious, my friend. So how when this a game I go on? No, you look distressed. You not even look like you're up to win this game. You don't look
Oh, but
bumpy,
yes, so we are going to. So, you want forward, you can.
You don't want power, you don't want support. You didn't hear me, girl. Yeah, so let me stop me. I don't know what the back up there.
Emma, come on. Sir, them coming. So, you don't have to worry. Competition is on. Just a second.
Just couple minutes, okay.
Alright, so just go and stay. Me know the time is hot.
Very
and-
hot, very. I was just gonna ask if you have something good for
Sorry
me.
about that. Oh, you need something to fan you.
It's okay, you know. I ain't worry myself about it. Why are they so long though?
Cause she will want the man. She desperate for the man. Come now, man.
Jesus, I'm dead. What place? Oh, my God. What's that, man?
Two lady.
Rich. Good day, good day.
Good evening, good evening.
Hi, good
You want
evening.
to gonna eat it?
Then, hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, ladies. Okay.
Cockroach, that.
Well,
So this you go eat.
Hey, man.
Brittany, come on. Just no bother with it. You want the man or you don't want the man?
No, the man in the anything.
Okay, that's
when
the
we come
spirit,
to
girl.
win, murder we come to murder anything.
Kill
Share
anything
that.
or anything. Come, we are waiting for
I wait to
Fallon
see
So
now.
what she there so long?
Oh, Jesus.
If
And she so she want the man now. She
Una
a take
papa
and she a
now,
take
una-
long.
Oh, see them a come here. Una reach.
Yeah, man, rich man.
Long time una fi reach. Alright now, Mr. Judge. The competitors are here, but one thing. The main person is not here as yet. So, I want to just exercise your patience just a little bit more
Okay.
for me now.
Okay.
Nobody
So when
charge
they
me
there?
for
When
that.
they?
Him soon come.
For real.
Just
When
like
could
when
I
you
do?
not get married and you make the man them sweat. I say man I make
Yeah,
you
she
sweat
see
today.
one.
Okay,
Win this,
just exercise a
You have to
little
win
bit more
this.
patience, no me.
I mean, I know what kind of competition.
Okay, me the follow, me no must carry.
Someone
People
here
are soon come. Me know it's soon come.
come.
So let me tell you how this go. Brittany, you're gonna stay right here. Fallon gonna stay over
So
there.
there.
The first person, the first person will consume all of this and that, including the bread.
So where me?
You know win the man heart. You see if you can manage the challenge and you know fall for break out in other challenge here, me have more games. Alright? I have more games. So me just want to cooperate and do this thing with me. Look here, Judge. Judge this thing fairly. You understand? With vibes. Me no want no boring thing.
Okay,
And me
definitely.
here say you have vibes, that's why me hire you.
Most definitely.
Me know you want the rest of your fear when the
Okay.
competition finish, right?
I'll be asking for you
Alright,
soon.
let me check again and see if
Okay,
the
please,
main
please, let's hear.
competitors-
Definitely.
Before you gotta go with your attitude. Come on, nobody feel it.
No mind. No mind.
It's getting very late.
Hold on, no matter what you want. I want you, man.
I want to do.
You see me, I go everything you
You want to come with me,
How
mama,
much
no
money
one
we have?
time.
Well, I'm on mind.
Wait, me I tell
And she say a
you.
friend. Yes, she say me tell
Me I tell you, if you win this and man at today, me I tell you the man still
Me no want to be with friend girl.
Falan, a consume that I can win the man.
With-
Here, consume.
Younger, tell me.
Hello, hold on. What is that little dirty foot careless boy? Where they
The ask me same
Who
thing.
invited
Keep
you
your
here?
mouth. Shut in, come here first. You
Look
never
here,
know.
me no want you here. You can't steal.
You look like you don't consume the bread.
You can't steal.
Whoa, good for you. I'll tell you that I run off a mouth.
Belly. You come from massive competition. You see, Joe, me busy that talk to you, me never see.
Run the boy.
Me invite chop lad.
Just bring him. That's more food.
Make it stay anywhere you live. Yeah, they run anywhere you live. Me don't like it.
One I cannot see when.
So when they come
Within
And yeah, you
30 miles.
no, but you me come and say, Shayna.
Definitely.
So taxi.
He soon come, he soon come. He just give me a little 5 minutes, he soon come.
5 minutes is
The man in a suit and me come up think say I'm look at this
You
man
have
in
to,
a
right?
girls.
I'm just saying that 5 minutes is all I've got.
Okay, alright. Just give me a second then. Me know I'm going to. Ah,
Come in,
Brittany,
okay.
you must come follow me there, come.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come.
Call my name alone, girl.
Shut
You
up.
must come.
Hey, hello.
Competition
Hey.
start,
Hi,
Judge.
okay.
You remember what me tell you? Make it nice.
Right now, how you ever hungry, me
Okay.
sure say that
Most definitely. Okay, let me have the
good, man,
the
me good.
contestants alone, please. Please,
Yes,
thank you very
I'm
much.
ready.
May I have the contestants alone, please?
That got me here.
Okay, definitely. I don't
I
have
really want help, me help her, and your man
I don't
go
like to
it.
repeat myself.
I pay him,
Okay,
Judge,
so,
you know, so when he talk, you know, if you just cooperate.
Are you the lucky man?
Oh man, great things, man.
Greetings. This is the lucky man.
Yeah, man.
Come right here, my
lucky
brother.
man.
Come right here, my brother. Congratulations, my friend. Congratulations. Okay. First thing first, I'd love to know.
Oh, you have to put up the
That's
head.
like best friend. That's not best friend.
Brittany, you want the man to, you know, so you can't behave like your enemy.
May I
you know.
begin?
You're supposed to answer the man. So you can't go beside him.
Look, make the choice.
Okay.
my
Hey,
boss, ready.
ma'am, young lady, I really don't like that. This is not a
Judge
professional
work
setting.
with police, so if you no go
You know ready to start, Nyam yet?
If you no go, and me I go eat.
We ready for Nyam?
Alright, Judge,
I would
put
love
them
to
in them
begin, please.
position.
ready for Nyam?
Okay.
Don't know.
Gentlemen,
We ready for
come
Nyam?
right here. Can we get the gentleman a seat,
A
please?
seat, a
Let's
seat.
get him a
Which is
seat. Let's
good?
get him a seat.
Which is
Okay,
good?
I'd love for you to sit on this side, my friend. Sit on
Which
this
way
side.
you want it, sir?
Put him on the right side.
Right here.
Put him on the right side.
Alright, sir.
General, make sure you're alright, you know. Yeah, man. I make
Okay.
the right choice.
My brother,
Oh,
let me ask you a
right
question.
one.
Let me ask you a question, my
Hands
brother.
up,
Do you love these ladies? Do you love these ladies? Do you love both of them equally? You sure? Do you want to hold them? Do you want to squeeze them? But you want one of them. Okay, take a seat. Okay, ladies, I hope you're prepared, right? Can you both stand in front of the bullet, please? So first things first, I want y'all to go right there or 5 yards away from me. And when I say ready, I want you to run. Listen to me. I realize you don't like to listen. That's the first sign of not a good lady, my friend. Okay? So if you like to forfeit the competition from now on, just take this one and go. Okay? Listen. Do you want the man?
Your girls look
Do you
good.
need the man?
Yes.
You love the man? Then act like you need the man, okay? Okay.
Those are some real girls.
You're gonna get the man. No, listen what I'm telling you. I want you ladies. Okay. Okay. You're a good man. Okay, now I want you to step back 5 yards away from me, okay? I want you to listen to me.
I'm listening, sir.
You're listening and you're not listening, you won't get the man.
I'm
Now,
listening, sir.
I want you to step back 5 yards away from me, okay?
5 yards.
5 yards, just a little distance. I'm not
How
good with yards.
I do 5 footsteps?
Come
I'm
in,
not-
you know, to come back
Okay.
a little distance from the bullet. Falan, go back down
Okay.
there, so you have to cooperate.
Okay.
Falan,
Go
back there.
man.
You
Okay.
pay him, you know, so cooperate with
Okay.
him, please.
Okay,
Falan,
that's good,
come.
that's good. I'm not
Are you
good at
sorry for that,
measurements.
sir?
Ma'am, please.
Down here.
Yes, I would love for you to not waste my time, okay? Okay.
This go nice.
Can you step a little bit forward for me, please? You in the pink? Little bit more. Just a little bit more. Her foot is a little bit too long. So I do. Hey, listen, step back. Step back, little lady.
Girl, don't come near me, you know, cause me make sure I know say me and your mom have that the bullet there and the bread there before you.
Remember say
Me
you know
I
one
do
guy,
it.
no?
Me I do it
You
in the
great.
name of tax.
Ladies.
Ladies.
Hey, ladies! Stop playing with me! Aren't you hungry?
Yes, sir.
You hungry?
Yes, sir.
So stop the noise and stop talking to each other.
I'm not hungry.
Now listen to me. I'm gonna count to 5. And I want you to run, come and do 5 press up. I'm gonna do the 5 press up. I want you to get up. I don't want to take the bullet and open the bullet and eat the bullet. I'm gonna finish with the bullet. You eat 6 bread each.
Yeah.
I'm gonna finish. You get some milk to drink. You want milk? And there's no meat. There's one meat. And you, when you complete the mission, you get the meat. Okay, let's get it ready. Let's go.
Me like your vibe. Me like your
4,
vibe.
3, 2, 1, go.
Man, bring this five push up.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. What the hell was that? Hey, hold on. I didn't say nothing about no juice. I tell this out your mouth. Eat the bulla. You crazy. I can see that you. Okay.
6
Yeah.
slices, 6 slices, Judge. 6
6
slices.
slides each. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
6
Let me hold this for
slices
you.
for the juice.
Somebody hold this for me, please. Let me get hold it. Hold this for me, please.
You're not gonna
Jesus
drink
of
out
mercy.
your sister one.
No.
Okay.
Me not
Come
trying
on, ladies.
hold them.
Yeah. Go.
You hold them, Judge. This is for Britney. This one is for Pala.
Okay.
God.
Definitely.
Come on.
Britney,
Come
hurry
on,
up.
Britney. Believe in
Britney.
I don't want it, man. Come on, Britney.
Definitely.
You know some me a put
Girl,
out
I'm
tonight.
voting for you. Eat bulla.
That one come like you go.
You know some me a put out
Me say,
Britney.
Britney, if you met this girl and beat her, you can't come
Pala
on
and
tonight.
eat.
Fallon.
You want
You don't want it, man.
No, you ain't no eat nothing to finish the bulla. You
No,
finish the
you
bulla,
must wet them
you get
out.
some milk, then you get some bread. Give her a little
You
bit.
have to tip them up, man.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, I was a little bit too rough.
yeah man.
I was a little bit too rough, my friend.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah.
Make it
Uh-huh.
Make her diabetes.
God damn, my friend.
Now make your mouth
This
go
one's
in
gonna
jail
run you out of
inside.
money.
Yeah, thief.
Me not
Yes,
thief.
yeah, thief. Yeah,
Me
give her
not
more
know.
than me.
Try your sister.
Yeah, thief.
Are you eating piece of the bulla?
No, sir.
Yeah,
Well,
thief.
You're gonna have to pay more for that.
She a drink too much, sir.
Oh, Jesus.
Father, drink some more milk, father. Father, drink some more milk.
Come on, my little skinny friend. Come on. Take your 6 bread. Take your 6 bread. Oh, Lord. Oh, Jesus.
Father, take Shayna,
No, me not thief. I mean, 2 of them are my friend. I want the 2 of them to win.
No, Shayna, come.
You know, say you don't care me where with Fallon. They cannot come out and competition. You want the man.
Did you show a piece of the bread? Did you show a piece of bread? You're gonna eat this when you finish. You're gonna eat that.
So let's stay right there. So me proud of you, see, man.
That
Oh,
job.
my Lord.
No, Fallon, that not in a give. Oh, she a pressy. Nothing wrong with that, Judge. Nothing wrong with that. Remember, she a piece right here, so she a pressy. She a pressy, yeah,
She put a piece of that.
She a pressy.
No, Judge.
She a pressy. See there, Judge. She a pressy.
Come with me, you can do it. Let me choke you. Come. You can do
No,
it,
man,
Britney.
please don't do this, man.
No, you're lying. You can do it, Britney.
The
Come
time I
with me.
take fighting her, you will see that this one is
Come with
eating.
me.
Good Lord, my
Cut
friend.
them, Britney. Where think about? Whap him, Britney. Whap him. Britney, like this.
Britney, hurry up, Britney.
Come on.
Britney, Britney, come,
Come
Britney.
on.
Britney, you almost win. Britney, come.
Come on. Come on, girls. Come on. You're getting there. Oh.
Don't make she win. Drink it, man. Magnum.
Yeah, Jesus Christ. Come here to me, lady.
Judge and I'm gonna judge the game.
Come here to me, lady. Come here to me, lady. Come here to me. Come here to me. Come here to me.
Come dance to feel the people.
Come here, my friend. Come here, my friend.
I can't believe they make you come and you lose.
Come here, my friend. Come here, my friend.
Competition, no, don't let all who feel and say them a thief. In she place. Me alive.
Hey,
But
listen.
me a pay me money. Remember, say me not finish pay you yet.
Okay, definitely. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so
do me
listen.
job
Okay,
well.
you ready? You ready?
Why you lose?
In the meantime, come see if you can put that money together, okay?
Competition is very hectic.
Very, very.
Very hectic, Judge.
There's 2 things wrong right here, okay? So she have a piece of bread in her bosom, and she accidentally threw this on the ground.
So that mean?
Unless she eat this one from the ground, she can't win.
No, it not go up. It
No,
not go
so
up.
tell the one in the breast.
She could take the one in her bosom and eat it and
Yeah,
win.
when you see me with bread, I'm not gonna me. Well, we are gonna contaminate this game here. Nobody no win that one here then. So when you see me with bread in my bosom.
I don't know. I just believe I saw what I saw.
All right, Judge, we are gonna come up with one next game. We are gonna do musical chair.
You want to do something
Yes,
else?
Judge, that game here now work out. I'm glad them did feel
I
hungry
think
and
they
them
were think you have to give her the win
them have
because
strength
she
in next
stole.
game now.
She stole. So you gotta give her the win. Remember, say just one little piece of bread.
I'm
so
sorry
she
I
da
can't
win.
do that.
What you mean, I say you
Yeah,
can't
pay
do
her
that?
the money.
I was just going to ask her
I
if
will
she's
grab
praying
it.
me.
What you mean? What you
Are you
mean?
praying me?
Of course, me a
You ready
pray
to
you.
rely
You
on
look
me?
like
Give me
you're
the
my friend, you know.
Okay,
You look
give me
like
the money.
Hey, you come to beat me too.
Come on, let's go.
You look like you're my
She just
friend.
flick me in a stick.
You look like
me in
you're
a
my
stick.
friend.
Hey, listen to me. Hey, listen to me. Listen to me. How about you shut up and listen to me?
She thief the game. Me not thief no game.
I'm the judge.
Fair and
Are
square.
you the
You
judge?
my brother
Are
find
you the
out?
judge?
No.
But
Yeah,
I'm-
where you see me go? Where you spot to see me
Listen
thief
to me,
game? See
listen
the
to me.
90s right there, so.
Listen to me.
Nobody never get rich being honest. I'm not giving me knock out.
Ladies,
Knock her out.
ladies,
Shut up and go like a two bad.
ladies, listen to me. You want the man?
Sammy, you hurt her.
Do you want the man?
You know see when she had the bread in her crutches there, so.
I didn't see that. I
She
didn't
had the
see
bread
that.
too. Tell her she had the bread too. She had a piece of bread
Okay,
right there,
listen,
so.
listen,
In her panty side.
Listen.
Judge,
Listen.
she
listen
have
to
the
me.
bread there.
Don't
Listen
ever
to me.
tear it out, you
Listen
know.
to me. Listen to me.
You
I
know,
wanna
she
make
a
some
fling the
changes.
bread boy place too and I do it.
Okay.
Alright, so
Listen
the
to me.
and me win and me and me most and me eat off.
Jesus.
You should have tell you, you know.
Me no know why me never just.
Okay.
Me don't tell you, fam.
Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Now listen, we're gonna do a different game. Did you say I want to play musical chair?
Yes.
Well, let's get the music going. Come on, let's get the music going.
One chair because it's one man.
You're right.
One chair because it's one man.
All of them are something me for
Run
one.
the music.
They get
One
man.
when the music stop. One chair cause a one man.
Yo, Nick, I tell you, brother, yo. I know me no know if you say what to do, brother. You girl have a hard youth.
Well, I see it, so they confused, you know, general.
Yo, me see everything I go on and I say, yo, me nah say nothing, no, cause I'm gonna say something and then you look like me there on one side, but boy, it's hard to choose, brother.
Serious.
And then the two of them are hard, like they really love a G. You understand?
Oh, yeah, you better you make a judge deal with the man.
That make it judge deal, but tonight, none at all.
Probably you go look for the one day and the next one, good all deal with the wicked.
For real. So I just love it, yeah, man. It judge deal with it.
Man, make a judge deal with them, man.
Yeah, man.
You're right there, so you think right there so good.
Okay, good. Hey. Get me some music.
Ready, you know.
Me don't know competition, no, sir. Me not join competition, you know.
Get me some music.
Just I do what me have to do right there, sir, right now.
Put it.
But don't know what is what already,
Right
you know.
here.
Put the music right here.
Okay.
Put it right here.
What due to Caesar, Caesar I forget.
This is the mic.
Give me some music.
Talk of
Run
phone.
here, run round them, my girl. Run round them.
Yeah.
Run round them.
Let's only talk
Girl,
of
you
phone,
put
mommy.
longer
Turn
than
it on.
today.
Test it on. Mic check.
My champion. Yes,
Yeah.
my champion.
Competition.
Ladies and gentlemen.
I think I might test and only feel this.
We don't
Okay,
listen to the judge.
Let me give you some music.
We don't know how winning man.
Now this is the bonus. Okay? Pay attention, you might can win from the bonus, okay? Now, come here, sir. Come here right here, sir. Come here right here. This is the man of the moment.
It's no
First
competition.
things first, I'm gonna make baby shake some booty. You wanna see some booty?
Over there in the eyeglass.
You wanna see some booty, my friend? Shake it, shake. Let me see you shake it. You wanna see some booty? Okay. Now this is the warm-up, ladies.
Who's your sister?
Kick out your foot, my ladies. Go, ladies.
Run them.
What is it? What is it, my friend? Yeah. What is it, my friend? Yeah. What is it?
Show them what time it is.
Hold the music. The competition is hot, my friend. Hey, listen. I'll let them dance.
Two of them booming.
My champion.
Yeah,
Let's get the competition going.
Get the competition going.
Ladies, listen to me, ladies. Listen to me. You both did well.
Yes.
You both did well. Okay, let's get to the
Should I spin off our body?
Okay. So, what I want you ladies to come right here.
Oh, don't you want out of style?
One come right here. Okay, come right here.
Over there already.
Okay. I can tell you something, my friend. One of these ladies shit on themselves. Yes, I smell a little poop scent right here. Okay. One of these ladies.
The MC have to go over there.
One of these ladies was hungry.
Sure, bad. Yeah, man.
Okay.
I like it. Tough, man. It's tough.
Okay. Now. Okay. You ladies gonna go like this. When the music stop, You take
Right
the
to
seat.
left or left to right? Where you
Do
say?
not touch the chair.
Let them know, say them, when them a go round the chair, them go round with style.
Go around with
Then-
style.
and
Yes.
no
I
boring.
can't go on my pants
Go on your
style.
head. Go on your knees.
Yeah.
Anyway.
No, we're not
Okay.
for this one here though, we go out.
Oh, but when the music stops, I'm gonna turn my back. Listen, I'm gonna turn like this, and I'm gonna play the music and press stop. And anywhere you are, you just fight for the seat, okay? Are you ready?
She this one here.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Ready? I don't hear the next girl. Are you ready?
She that two near.
Let's go, ladies. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah.
No.
I'm not sure what's taking place on there, but
I think Britney, sit down like this.
hold on. I feel like
Let go of her chair now.
I feel like to press pause. Can I press pause? Can I press pause? Can I press pause?
Judge, this guy run right in a judge. Judge,
Wait, get up.
Judge, this
Get up.
guy run right in
Did I
a.
say stop? Did I say stop?
Round.
Did I say stop?
The music.
No, let me ask you a question.
Stop before the
Let
start.
me ask you a question.
But she went up on the chair.
What's the seat like this? What's the seat like this?
You move it.
Okay, this is what I want to do.
Judge, me tired already, you know.
Okay, you're tired because you're not doing what you're supposed to do. This is what I want you to do. Somebody give me some rope.
Show them, Judge.
I want you ladies to have your hands behind you. Have your hands behind you. Good. Where's your hand? Put your hand behind you.
On your
Put it behind
side.
you. No, put it.
Sit ya.
Put it on your
Judge,
head.
she went up on the chair.
Put it on your head. Put your hands on your head. Put your hands
Tell
on your
her
head.
if you run now.
This
And
is what
run
I want. Put your hands on your
wide.
head. Put your hands on your
Your
head.
papa have a finger
Put it on
nail.
your head. You don't know where your head is? No, good. I'm gonna start it again.
She that too near.
You see anyone of you take your hands off your head, you don't get the
You
message.
look like say I work with somebody here, you know.
I am working for something.
I work for something also.
Remember me, I pay you.
Could you take the time and see if you can get some money in the meantime? Just get the money.
As soon as the competition ends.
But it would be very nice if you would
Kick it off, make we see
You
what's
don't worry
going on.
about that. Me have that.
Ladies, ready?
Yeah, so say brother and Bulla give me a gas to kill me.
You soon get the
I guess
you soon get the
yeah.
man. Okay, let's go. Music. Here it is.
Y'all go there right for the left. Go there, girl.
Hold on. Put your hands on the head. Put your hands on the head. What is it?
Oh, she.
This, yes. Give me some distance between each other. Good. Let me see that. You don't know where your head is. Put your hands on the head. This one don't take instructions. I'm sorry. Okay. Jesus mercy. There it is. Oh man. You see, I can tell what happened. You my friend, let me tell you something. That is what happened when you don't take instructions.
It's alright.
Come here, my friend. Now,
She cheated. She pushed me, you know, MC.
now this is what happened when a
She
lady
pushed me.
don't
We don't
take
come here to
instructions
lose.
from a man.
She pushed me.
Okay?
The judge never
Ladies,
said that.
next time you learn from your mistake. Next time you take your
I
instructions.
don't make no mistake. A mistake make me. Yes.
You take instructions from your man next time. So any man, whatever you understand what I'm trying to say. Now,
We don't come to lose.
this is
We are
your girl, my
winner.
friend. Get up, my
Judge,
lady.
no, me think you need to
It's
blindfold
it.
them and make them find them.
No.
You want to do one more?
Blindfold them. Yeah, blindfold them and make them find
Let
them.
her do one more. Come here.
You can't leave with the
You
man
man thief. Come here, man thief.
I'm not running down because of my name.
Let me tell you something.
Me
You
not
man.
running down because of my name.
Yes, that girl, she's a man thief.
Yeah, me not run down my man. And my man that.
Come here.
Yeah, run down man. Me no want to know. Grab a girl now.
Fall the one you feel. Fall
Hey, you see you?
this feel.
Come on, let me tell you something.
You know,
Let me tell you
the man
something.
grew
Let me tell you
together. You
something.
must know what the man
It's one thing I
feel
want to
like,
tell you. You're a man thief. Go over there. Go over there.
I want to thief.
You trying to teach
I must
him.
the opposite.
Does it belong to you? You trying to teach him.
You
No.
go blindfold them.
You have to take what you can. You have to take what till it
And
become
them have to
yours.
just
We're
feel
going
the
to blind
man
you.
finger and identify the man. Any one of them identify the man, go on with it.
Okay.
I'm feeling man foot.
Okay, no. Fingers. Okay.
Yeah, we must feel the man foot too.
Look at this, ladies. These are the fingers that will
And
not
the
say
toe,
anything.
the toe.
Okay, no.
This gone too far.
The
Come
toe,
here.
you don't know the man toe
Come
feel.
on, this is
Man,
my
you don't want
friend.
to
Come
know
here, my
anything.
friend.
Good man, don't come
here,
so
my
easy.
friend. Okay.
You should have known that.
Judge,
Man,
this
speak
one I
for me.
blindfold here.
You should have blind and
Good man
sweat
don't
your
come
acid
so
burn out
easy.
your
Turn
eye.
it over your eyes. Turn it over your eyes.
This is why I have to
It doesn't matter.
Two of them, me
Come
have.
on.
Two of them.
Fling it over your eyes. Listen, you're going.
Stand up yourself, Brittany.
You're doing well so far. Come here, come on.
Shut up your eye, Brittany. Your eye not
Let me
open.
tight here.
You're
Let me
this
tight.
close to getting the man.
A 1-1, a 1-1, a 1-1.
No, two of them are
Come
go.
win the first game, so I know nothing.
Two of them I got tie up coming a one see when the next.
Listen, ladies, I want to feel.
Don't
that
peep,
finger.
no peep, no
I
in
want
a
you to feel
it.
that finger
Me can't
very
see no
well.
no peep, no
Okay.
in there no.
Okay.
Oh, make sure you not peep.
Just remember
Yes,
that.
me I got tie
Ladies,
brother.
fingers go a long
Lock up
way.
your.
Okay.
But she look on her eyes, them me no want get charged for that
Jesus,
one.
have
yeah.
mercy, little girl.
You can't blind me, no.
man.
Hold on.
I mean,
there's
lock me
a lot
eye them
of-
like a dolly, me
Yeah,
still
lock
not
it,
go
lock.
pee.
Alright, lock
Okay.
it.
No, me do it and do a game. She wear the blindfold alone.
Okay.
You trust her, you trust her.
Let me tell you what will happen.
Tie slack, alright.
Yeah, just yes.
No, me not trust
Blinding.
you, Falan. Me not
Just like that.
Falan a long time, me know you.
Hey, man, I'm about to brown off for me black.
You
Me
grow
look
with
become me a
tax, I
cup.
will for river and tax. We identify the man.
This man don't
You know, you might down there.
Judge, listen what go on, you see?
Alright, this I get intense, you know, you.
Yes.
The team here yesterday, I see
The finger.
the bench,
Okay,
look for
stand up
like.
right here.
Since them
Yeah,
man,
yeah,
man,
make
them
him
supposed
slide.
to know the man.
No,
feel.
no,
Yes,
One right,
yeah,
one
make
right,
it slide.
right.
No to Falan. Yeah, because
Stand
you
right
see
here.
her go on. I see me, she go on for me.
Mm.
So make she slide.
Okay.
You know, your sister, man.
Come here now.
I tell you,
Hey,
sister, so me I tell you how she stay.
So how if Britney wants
Are you ready?
I'm ready, I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Right
Listen, I'm gonna need your help. I'm gonna need your help, okay?
Right away.
Okay, ladies, follow my voice. Stand
You
right
come
here.
on, me
Stand up
know
right
one.
here.
Alright, oh shit.
I ain't gonna. Sorry. I want you to stay in the back, okay? So stay right here.
Hey, don't cheat, you know. You
forward.
take off
Okay.
mine. Like how you bend me eyelash.
Ladies, are you ready? I'm ready.
Me hear what she tell you, you know.
No, she me
Listen,
have to
I am a fair judge. I'm a fair judge. I'm fair judge.
No, both of them up there. You're not peep today. You're not peep.
I'm a friend, but he's
You're not-
a
it's
You
two
must
out
know
of
the
my
man.
friend.
Britney don't
It's
know the
two out
man
of my friend,
feel.
so me not no thief, no
Britney
nothing.
should have shame. Move on here. You go like you know him from the day you was born. You just want the man
Yes,
to
that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm gonna do.
Judge.
Okay, ready?
Judge, come
Okay.
here. Judge.
First thing first.
You can't go in there too, you know.
I could try.
Yes, but you know,
Okay.
you know you like it, girl.
Yes, me stop it. You little informer. No, listen.
Come
Listen.
put me in there now.
Okay,
wait,
this is what I want to
wait.
do. Stand up right there. Okay. Falan, is your name Falan? Stand up. Don't move.
No,
Don't
you
move.
not fi feel
Don't move,
yet.
Falan. Don't move.
And you
Don't move.
not go, make them know them not go feel all over, man. It's
Just one.
the
Just find the
hand.
finger. Okay.
Just
Stand up right there. Stand up right here. Don't move. Don't move.
So
Okay.
where can me
Take
go?
instructions. This one don't like to take instructions. Stand up right here. Okay, good. Is your name Brittany? Brittany.
Yeah, Brittany.
Oh, hold
Can't
on.
breathe.
your mouth.
No, me nose, no, you not tight. You can't.
Reach your nose. To your mouth.
Don't tight.
Falan, take this. Falan, take this. She's not seeing. No, she's okay. Brittany, you take this. Take this. Come on. You're not seeing me? Okay. You're not seeing. Okay. Come on.
Not take him out
Leave me alone.
yet. Stand
Okay.
up.
So, the man stretch his hand forward, and you tell me if it's the man.
Mix them up, Judge. Mix them up. Then where the man them stand up, you know, Judge.
No, it's not going to be like this.
Okay, Judge.
Come on.
Meanwhile, them a go judge me, I go shadow their eye too.
Just
Cause
do
me
it.
not
like
trust
this.
them.
Okay. You Falan, take time with these nails. I
You
want
ready
to
for me
step
doing
forward.
something, sir?
Yes, I want you to step forward. There is 3 men in front of you. Okay, 3 hands.
Which one there first and
One
second
at
and
a
third?
time.
There is there's 3 hands. Okay. Okay. I want you to feel these 3 hands. Look, please. 1, 2. I don't touch the bottom of the hand. 1, 2, 3. Feel the fingers. Go ahead. Anyone you like.
Show me one hand first.
This is one hand. Feel it. Feel that hand. Would you like that to be the hand that touching you at night time, caressing you and hugging you?
No make she
Come
go
feel
far.
the other
No make she go
one.
far from the person and just the finger.
Okay.
Just
Feel
the
that hand.
finger.
Oh my
What
God.
kind of hand this ya?
Is that the hand?
This feel like a girl.
You sure? Come on, you not know what you're talking about.
No, she not see
Go ahead.
me
That
cover.
feel like soft for one girl.
Oh, yeah?
That.
Okay, feel this one. Feel this one.
And then me choose.
This could be the man.
Eh?
It could be the man. It could be the man. It could be the man.
Come in a done.
Make another hand, man. Another hand. Just this random hand. Just feel this hand.
I want something.
Nah,
Are you dying?
suffocated. Don't move it.
Don't let her
Me
die.
nah
You ready for
squeeze
me
her
quick
eye.
now?
Yeah, you can feel his hand again if you want.
First one.
Yeah, this is the first one, or the second one, the third one. You're going too far with the
This
hand.
is the first one.
I think it's the third one or something like that. Okay, I think it was the soft hand. Okay, which hand was it?
Where's second one then now?
The second one, this was the second hand. There it is. It's a very close hand.
No, this not what it is second hand.
So this is not the hand. You sure?
This is not second hand.
You sure? Listen. Think about what you
This is not the second hand I touch though.
But
when
is
you
this the
find me man,
hand?
say me find me man.
Is this the man?
Let me feel third one.
Is that the hand?
Let me
Yes or
feel
no?
the third one.
Jesus of mercy. Go again. You sure? Okay, that's not the man.
When
Okay.
you find your man, ball out so you find your man, you know.
Take your time.
That one yeah.
This the man? Is this the man? Okay, stay right there. I'll tell you if it's the man.
Jesus.
Come on,
Let me
baby.
feel it again.
No, you already tell me.
Feel it again.
She already saw she was serious.
She did.
She already saw she said serious.
Yeah.
Let me choose that one.
Back off. Quick.
Okay.
You know why you
Take
never
your
go
time,
first?
step. Take your time,
Brittany,
step.
why you
Come here,
never choose to
Brittany.
go
Come
first?
here, let me see
They was
this girl.
careful, you know.
Why you never choose to go
Don't
first?
feel the hand.
Okay, come again now. Your turn. Feel the hand.
You
Feel the
can't take
hand.
off this.
No,
No,
not
you-
yet.
Me fit that me move the job.
You
Feel
can't
that
hold
hand.
on
Feel
to
that
me.
hand. Feel that hand. Feel it. Touch it. Rub it. Squeeze it.
I'm feeling next one.
Don't
Okay.
make she go too far.
Okay, hold on. The hands are all over the place. The hands are moving. Hold on. Wait. Okay. Feet. Oh, Jesus of mercy. Multiple.
No, no, hit that.
That's not it. Are you sure? Okay. Feel it.
Oh, this
Think about it, girl.
chopper.
What? You feel this hand before? Something is going on.
Bring it off and lose too.
Come on. We'll chop, Lord.
Bring it, girl, pick now done.
Okay, look at that hand for a while.
No.
Come again. Feel this hand now. Feel this hand. It's 4 man right here.
No, I want to hit this
Are you
shaft.
sure? Oh, Jesus of mercy. Feel this one. Feel this one.
That's it.
Feel this one. What's wrong with that finger? That could be the hand.
No.
Jesus of mercy. I know that hand was very clean a while ago. Okay, come on.
My turn again.
Okay, look at the hands. Look at the hands. Are you ready now to pick? Okay, so is this
I'm
the
in
man?
feedback in that.
Is this the man?
She want feedback in last.
We're ready for reveal.
Is that the man?
Come revelation time, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the hand.
The hand that feel thick, man.
Oh yeah. But it's okay.
I am on
Okay.
tick.
Feel this hand, and feel this hand at the same time.
Which hand?
I meant this one. Sorry, not that hand. That's my hand. That's my hand. That was my hand. Go again. Come on. Go.
You soon know if you win.
Come on.
We
There
so
it is.
unblindfold you.
Where this
So
one
I
goes?
don't
See, done now.
I know hit
You sure? No, feel these two hands at the
This
same
man
time.
a too
This
chat too
and
much,
this.
you know.
This is where we MC.
Other one, yeah.
It's this man.
Yeah.
This is the man.
Brittany, you winning, man.
Pull the blindfold off.
Alright, when you stand up in the same position, man, don't move.
Listen,
Don't
let me
move.
go. Let me go, you crazy lady.
Don't move.
Okay, this is what happened. Both ladies pick this as the man.
So on the nose.
Me say phone you can move off and know what I'm You don't look like it, man, don't wait.
No.
You're comfortable.
Listen.
You don't look like
This is what we're going to do. Okay?
Yeah, stop. We know I have to hand, you know.
She did pick the right. At one point, she did pick the right.
Yeah, don't
And she was fighting for the man. And I can tell you something else. I believe she was the one that shit for the man right there. I don't know. I just believe.
my
I just-
Remember when
God.
you say smelly? You check
I was a little
yourself.
fought or
You know
something. So what do you say, man? She did get her hand, you know.
Me excited. So, me want you call out the winner.
Ladies and gentlemen, there can only be one winner. There can only be one winner. And what's her name again? Fallon? Fallon?
Look how many name, sir.
You didn't get the man. Brittany,
I'm here,
come here, my
sir,
friend.
winner.
Come here, my friend. No, listen.
No, thief out is a competition. Let me tell you that. Real thief out.
Fallon,
And if you win.
Fallon, you know see a big judge in a jacket and tie.
Me a winner, and me a always winner.
Listen, I could suggest something.
My girl.
I could say something.
Come to win. On a thief, this a
You
competition. yeah.
both could share the man. What you say?
No.
You could share the man?
I same thing why the
Anyway, me
competition
see.
here.
Girl, stop in eyes and me you win the man.
Shut
Okay.
up, sir.
What do you want to do with the
Yeah.
man? Okay.
Alright.
Would you share the man?
If more share the man.
Yes. Would you share the man?
Well,
Not with you.
we are gonna need somebody for help. We'll wash up, we plate them and we
You're
are.
bright off face.
Am I head?
Yeah.
Yeah, how are you?
You're bright off face, Steve.
Okay. Would you share the man?
Come on, talk.
Me can't believe say you do this with this a
No, girl, look here. No,
Hey girl, I'm pop on my ponytail.
Hey, Shayna.
Me clear, you know why you go on here, so you go on.
You didn't pay me to be no referee. I'm not no referee. I'm not a referee.
Make the wrong one go with the man and you see if you get the rest of money.
Go get my money. Go get my money.
Make the wrong one go with the man.
Get me my money.
Not
Don't play
until
with
you
me.
see her Britney leave with her man.
I'll teach something.
It's alright. Not until you see.
Falan, hear me I say Falan.
You will take
Falan, fear is fear, Falan. It's a competition, Falan.
And you come and
win
win
the competition, Falan.
Fear is fear, what talks?
Win the competition,
I see how
Falan.
long you know me and me grew up together, you put this together over me.
She win
You
now.
put this together over me, talks. Taxi, you put this together over me.
Cool, Falan.
No, taxi, no, see you Falan, behave yourself. Falan, no, you get up at 2 o'clock. We have to go take her down. We have to bring her down. Hey, girl, go down. Wow, we lose. I see you talk. We don't want no friendship, fire friendship. Then right, you say you here. I don't me tell you. You don't want no friendship, fire. Don't Falan. You should suit us. Let's see what she do with you. Alright, my friend now go tell them about your business. What I'm licking her with this stuff.
Bad man, I kill your boy. Go ahead.
Yes, I'm justice. I'm just Falan is not here. I'm a friend win.
Shayna, leave those ladies and come get the money,
You
Shayna.
must have a great man. Don't finish player because me expect you to do a better job.
You didn't pay me to be a referee, okay?
You can't make the winner of it still the rest of the man.
Don't you see she right here with the man?
God.
Go get the money and come. Go get
We
the
have
money.
it right here.
Thank you.
don't have the man.
Thank you, Shayna.
Have the
And
man.
thanks for coming.
Congratulations. Congratulations, ladies.
Yes.
Girl.
You did well, my friend.
girl.
I'll see you some other time.
Britney, up here, double date. We have a fun.
Yes, I will think come.
So we don't walk out.
Come on.
Take up your babes and go on. Later,
Come
we
on,
need
my
to
friend.
go.
Yeah, my friend.
Yeah, go clean up the place. Yeah, go on there.
All the competition there, foolishness I deal with it. Me know says I go and me no go nowhere. Chaplain could call me, you know. Me not let when people call me round corner, you know. Promise myself so nobody can call me round no corner. Britney can't even go up on her head top. I'll be a king public, she a king public, her foot then too long. She want foot then too long, she go up on her head top. It's alright. Me I go out on the road same way, you know. Make sure it's my 3-star in my waist. Yeah, me 3-star ready. But I want to buck her on my 3-star and spin her upon that. Dash way all her body somewhere. What you mean? And tax have to come to me. You have no option, you have no choice. And you can't know see me do that. Here? Oh. Me make sure so she see me do it. It's alright. Make sure so me a touch out on the road, you know. But me want to buck that. And left my countrymen them. Still have to stay good. Yo, get up! Get up! Get up! Say coming in a good mood. Get up, man. I want to sleep at the bedside. Get up, man. Get up out there, please. Get up. Get up. On the road. You know business I'm going because you never dare help me, you know. You never dare help me. You never should have.
Let me see where you go.
On the road. You know you're deaf. Your hard at deaf. Eh? English cock 1 years old. Plate them in there so if you wash them. That's all you want to do down in the yard and sleep. As all you good for, wash plate and rake yard. Do it. Here? And then I know chattings with me either.
Well,
they run me out of the house because you know you cleaning. I know you cleaning.
How clean house?
You know shine house, you know do nothing. You know this more than
Me
me.
do see in this store that me I tell you, me clean house too.
Don't make me this, don't make me this, yo. Don't make me this.
Okay, you're hot. Go on where you, because you're losing man, go on where you're hot.
And that you say, you follow everybody else. Me losing man. You see me losing man, why you never help me get it? Then you push me losing long time too.
You're too hot, man.
The bad man just like a girl them.
You're too hot. Go on, cool down.
One man army, you know. No crowd back on me.
Britney. We got chop off last night.
We did alright, yo.
Why last night? It was a night, not you?
It's a night.
Chagad.
Good morning.
Morning. God, why? We just love the energy we get anytime we come together. And I tell a lie. Yeah, don't you?
I'm hungry.
Yeah, you're hungry. Alright, you know what going on? Brand new stove and buy over the center. You understand? Just buy.
Yeah, man, look nice.
Alright, so what time we go buy some grocery and cook a pot? What do you say?
I want that, a burger, I want.
Burger, Brittany?
Yeah.
But you got to spend over money and you can't eat later. At one time you can eat.
A burger, I want. Me share with you for that I want to. Me share it with you, but me don't want to cook food.
A burger you want?
Yeah.
Alright. So where you get burger? Because me not go so far. No?
Me have somebody where me can call.
Alright, do that. I get the money. So do that. I'll call my answer.
Yeah, me think me did tap us my phone for me do that. Me just call.
Hello. Oh, I want Brittany.
You busy?
Yeah, I'm kind of busy still in about. What do you want me to do for you right now?
I want burger, me do want to get in town for me.
Alright, no problem. And where should I drop it off? Where you there now?
I'm going to send you the location for WhatsApp here. Come in the yard.
Okay, no problem.
Alright.
You say get you?
Yeah, I'm sending my location for WhatsApp now, so.
Send me location.
No.
How about which one burger then now?
What do me want? 1,200 can buy.
Let's give me sign a car. Appeal, you know. You understand?
You mean?
Yeah.
You're not rich?
No, I'm not rich girl. Me just make me a start, you know. Appeal. So when you come, you just give me back.
So.
But after tomorrow, we can cook after that tomorrow. You understand?
Yeah, ask that question.
Yeah.
What kind of work you do? You a chopper?
No, me not a chopper. You know me is an electrician certified. I do AC installation and etc. So you see me more while there, so and then I just get a call and I just bam up on a location, go make a piece of work. You understand?
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Well, that's not bad.
Oh, that's not bad.
That make money, right?
Yeah, man, make money. Yeah, sometimes it's slow, but sometimes you pick up and you can make a real food. You understand?
Oh.
Yes.
Not so that bad.
Alright, that may tell you, man. But so, what about you? Your work?
Well, we kind of get laid off of work. After the pandemic, everything gets slow. The client they now call me or nothing. You get me? So everything just drop both. So like how you there now, you must can. You can't take care of me. You're a woman, so you must can't take care of woman.
You know, I say, I'm not going to take care of still, but it's why we can work together and make it happen. You understand?
But me can't do electrician or something work where you talk about.
So what you used to do before?
Like, we do here, we do a lot of other things.
Okay, well let's hope that some of my client then call, because as me say, we can work together and build a future.
But why me I go sit down and wait for the client if you come, which me know so me have a man, we can do everything for me.
Brittany, you look beautiful and everything, you know. I know you're smart and thing, you understand? So what you know, man? Just think about it, man. Let's see if we can get back into my client and if I can call some old number and then we can
I don't call nobody and I feel like I'm desperate. Listen, I can't reason for hungry but when the food comes.
Ah yes, when the food comes.
Yeah.
Alright.
But wait till everybody I think come correct.
I'll go next time for it.
Alright, yeah too.
Princess.
I want you.
Please, no, man. I just start more and talk to you, man.
Talk
Me
to
again,
who?
man. No, you, princess, man.
So you approach me, so daddy.
Princess, man, what do you say? I'm not there, man.
Come na princess.
So yeah, what?
So someone approach girl.
The only if you approach, I don't want to come and touch you.
So
Me
say
have
you're
to
frightened me?
style you as a princess.
Suppose me have heart problem.
Me know you don't have a heart problem, because it's the first time we woke up.
Come chest a
Second
beat
time we
fast.
see you. Me know say you that, man. I saw you stay. So I go and
Next
princess.
time know what you do here.
Yeah, man, I try to do that. At that more I do.
Why a problem?
tell us the princess, from when me see her, me a pray, and me a say me like your shape, me like everything about you, your
Like
style.
what you want, see what you see.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So that me a tell us the boy, I want to get close to know you, princess.
That is for me to know, for you not to find out.
I find out more.
A one man, me say.
Yeah, I say one man. And from when me no see man, every time me I see you, are you alone me I see you walk.
You
It
know,
seems like
one
you
man-
no man, it seems like you man afraid.
It no matter if I'm man up above.
Princess, man, bring you somewhere nice. You see
Someone
me, I say,
nice
give me a
like
try.
where?
You just name it.
You see, lucky some never back your throat like a goat a while
Me know
ago.
now, that's why when you back out your ratchet, me jump fry you know,
I
princess.
know see a ratchet,
Princess,
you
me
just
still
want to
like
know
you,
see a
but
something
just let me try
reach
to take you
you.
somewhere, man, we can have a nice talk, so tell you. You don't know.
Well,
if you not like it, flow.
I'm gonna feel
don't
some
know.
soft, you know.
I don't say soft.
Me no soft
but
soap,
from
you know.
when me a child, me I say about nothing but a child but I feel. You see me? And you have to tell me what I go on if you can work out for me.
And what if you
princess.
say your lyrics, them I get this true.
I not really that. Princess fan, you love, you love.
I make sure you
Yeah,
have
nothing
everything to
matter.
back up your chat them, you know.
Baby, just name me place where you want.
And you
and me
just
go-
stay good too, so me not see why I should give you
So
a
go
chance
then,
and hear what
why
you say
You're a
still.
hot lady and I know say you like somebody else, no matter how you go.
Alright, put your number on my phone.
No, princess, yeah, better you put your number on my phone. you see me?
Alright.
Say
And when
again,
you're ready, you call me.
Yeah.
The phone easy for open door.
So guess what? No, I don't somebody deal with phone. If it last, somebody just get a phone. I mean, not really feel like phone and
You're not a secretive man.
Probably somebody need it more.
I
than
like
me,
that
so you
still. Alright.
come.
Call me then.
Alright, me
Later.
call you later. Alright.
Alright, remember the date.
Yeah, my princess. Like how you two are just up now, just make it near as we near to town.
We are keep your near side and talk to me same way.
No, then as me say me I walk.
Alright, come on
there.
there.
I'm not sure.
But I'm gonna get too touchy so quick.
Why?
Don't get touchy. Stay
Why
humble.
me not forget touchy?
6 feet apart like COVID. I
Oh, we
want.
break up long time. I saw something with
It
you,
no
man.
matter.
Brown man. Brown man. Yo. Wake up, man. Why? Nah, lie. You like you sleep good. Sleep ideal for your food cock up.
What on?
There, man. You're up on the road, man. You know. See if we can find a one or
So
so.
early, man, you would.
You mean, brother? We have to find something to do, you know, man. I'm here, man.
Yo, my grandma back wash your mouth and come. So far.
Alright, do you right?
Brittany! Brittany! What, Brittany? Me out at the gate, you know.
Alright, me see, me send somebody come. Tax! Come here there, please. Hurry up. You can't go collect your burger this from the man, please. Hurry up. Yeah, hurry up.
Alright.
Right now?
Yeah, me chief, see money.
Yeah, David J. Oh, I Brittany man now.
What you mean by Brittany man?
No, man, everything good, man. Everything good. No, everything good. Everything good.
Are you there Brittany man?
No, man, everything good, Mr. Man. I say?
Yeah man.
Yeah, man.
Look how long him a take. Might as well not give him no when he reach to. And give him one little piece. I just read this thing of a collect his, he must see how they chat with him man.
Hey, baby.
That's how long it take?
You take the 10 minutes if you want 2 minutes.
Thank you.
Go on. Oh, no, you cut it.
Cut one.
The burger.
I cut me up a piece here.
Alright.
Want fries?
Come on, give me the
You can wash your hand in a but you know. Just pick up.
I'm gonna do it, them thing at 300 enough.
Oh, that means you don't want none then.
I don't want much, man. It's more piece of burger. Oh, man, go back out to the phone. You want to come there? Yeah, give me the bucket.
You must see me hungry. No, I'm not tell you. Don't say you don't really like them some here.
Take one little piece, guys. Come on. How's that, sir? Yeah?
Thank you.
What's this done? Oh, this done.
Why?
Skate too.
Why is it like that?
Me like to skate too. If you look the 2 touches.
Alright,
You tell me if you tell her see you, okay? Sure. Tell me I pass the door.
That's why it's man. I like the style of this.
Good evening, welcome to Kiki's Coffee and Corn.
Good evening.
You have it all there?
Yes, you have cold beer.
Can I have one?
Yes, I'll take one.
So 2 cold beer.
Sure.
Yeah, man.
It's nice though. Exquisite. Yeah, you know, a nice place, classy. We got just up in a nicer clothes and we come back. Like, I'm not so thirsty, you know. I'm hungry.
Probably tomorrow with some more things. Excited you.
How about cash in hand too?
You know me everything. Yeah.
Of course.
2 cold beer.
Thank you very much.
Alright, thank you, bro. Young lady.
The right thing we are doing, cause yo, you know want to run a yard and do nothing and Britney speech, you can catch we, you know.
Then now that me I talk about some me the help her move out because she start already.
Right thing you do, Blitz.
I'm more me if you can go out with things.
Yeah, man.
She run there, they go on with herself. Your friend there.
Man, I'm a general. I deal with my general.
Why, me there, I go and match up 1-1-2 crime.
Why you do so hard work, you do my general?
Why, you know, they are going to put in the work as usual. You don't
And
know.
I
Yeah,
said,
man.
stop in a BM.
Eh.
Where Brittany? Brittany!
Bring in the man, you can't go look and see man, she in there, you see it?
So, you run there, they do hard work without shirt. Well, me want Nick
man.
to run there, they do hard work without shirt too. So you see, seeing as Brittany not come in, and move, she start move out, so me the help her.
Right thing, man.
Babes, the
Yeah, man, go on,
Keep her
babes.
out, yes.
Chip her out here, she sweet, yeah. Brittany!
Yeah, man.
She in there, man, just go on her back there, so she in there.
Yeah, man, general, like, right thing, man.
Oi! Come in here, son. Yes, take it off because I'm not clean in here.
That's one good news to come with.
What that?
Good news, I have package for you, darling.
Big.
Big package.
Somebody
I want to wear you wrap up. So Brittany, after you not come in last night and you run here and you go on with yourself, you think some we go make you stay one next night with them or something here? Run a yard? I want to show down myself too and make Nick can outside and do hard work without shirt. Just like how your man out there.
Listen. Yeah, I get it all wrong right now. We just stay here going with a little vibes. Okay, what you say?
Well, I like your vibes, Brittany. I move you start, move out. I move you start, move out, so me finish, help you move out. So see your things, them here, all your luggage.
So you're trying to
And
come back around there?
no, you don't have no form of reason if you come back around there because me no want when time here work, you pop in. You hear what me I say? So see your things, them here, you not have to come back. Me know which part of this so we can link up.
Well, me they're confident either
Phone
way.
call, I go work now.
Okay,
You hear?
Alright.
Please don't come back round there. Come on, go on with myself.
So I know go with myself.
You want me to put you over one corner for you?
Put you by
You can't
yourself.
come far away.
Put you by
As a matter of fact, I Nick carry.
Yeah.
Yeah, your man should have paid him. Yeah, come take on the road.
Alright, later.
Get up and spread up your belly. Look like you work all night.
Chop me now, get up. Leave me
Let
alone.
that friend live life.
Alright.
Now get the winnings.
Yeah. She alright, you know. She love a mix up, you see.
She not easy. Make a time you lace. And if I love mix up, because you think me got me, I put on the shoes.
Alright.
General, yo, much Katie. Can I my work, father? Yeah.
Boy, so I try to show you, nobody know want to do no work, you know.
You see man arguing with brother.
Everybody hard for themselves, you know, bro. You know what, come on,
What do you say? Something going on, man. Sorry.
Yo, nice, don't work, you know.
It's nice to be out with you.
You better be glad.
Princess, let me see it today. The alien live from?
Yes, I'm from that area.
Yeah, and I'm just live a little bit topside on the hill. Yeah.
Top side me. Yeah,
You
go
just
come
got
back
us a
down the
little
hill,
bit.
go look for me coming now. Come up there like no jail.
Anything else, princess.
Mhm.
No way, we do that.
You be Jack and come down.
When you want something, you have to go at it.
I hear what you say. I just hope I can stand up to your words.
Me a man of my word, princess.
Alright,
No,
so
sure.
you guys look like
Anything
as a
you say.
hard-working man, you have muscles. But then, vein then turn up on you.
Oh, a nice lady, more. That's like you.
Jesus.
You can caress them much. You see that?
Aye. Alright,
Okay.
put back your hand now.
Yeah.
Yeah, said so. Nobody, relax.
Princess, I want to ask you a question.
And
Are you a ride or die chick?
I'll ride alongside with you, but I'm not gonna die. I don't wanna die.
That's what
And
I
not
don't
at least not until the father calls me.
want. I don't want you to die and I want you to ride along with me. You understand what I say?
I will try.
Until birth leave the body.
Me no want no breath leave my body. Like, don't talk it like that. Just leave. Let's just leave.
No problem. I was just wondering if you want to go for something to eat or you want to...
No, I'm not that hungry. This beer full of my belly right now, so I don't want anything to eat. I just want to go home.
Okay.
Well, you can give me the money.
No problem. No problem, boss.
Yes.
You can do it.
Thank
whenever
you.
want.
Well, at least I say. Well, you should be driving a Benz to jump my wire fence, you know.
So, Princess, I just want
You could
Corona
never be
now.
driving a lot across my border, you know.
Wanna go? Ready?
Let's go then. You know what? Well, oh, thank you. You get it for me. You is the gentleman.
Let's go.
Thank you. You're gonna take it for me?
Bring it for you.
You pay him already?
Yeah.
You pay him already? I didn't see you.
Yeah, I do that.
Come on, him good. He paid you?
Yeah, I'm going.
Okay, bye later. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Oh, brother.
I want to Jano star, I tell you. Yo, brother, man, tell you, you know, look out here, look good like sitting down, really go on.
I'm not going to brother. Nobody not giving a word, brother.
Yo, man, tell you, time rough, you know.
I'm going to tell you come on, you know.
I know say I want, but I want it more than you too, you know.
You see me, because it's so fun and I move away from me. I start making my own little money, because I want to do this disrespect.
Right now, you know, say, she not going good, you know. She not going good for other day, you know.
So that me tell you, brother.
So babes, enjoy your time.
Kaka, my babes already. Relax yourself.
I mean, then, if me can have that a wonderful time. Yes, sir. I am
Call
next.
me my name. For now.
Princess. So, enjoy your
Call me princess.
Princess.
Yeah.
Enjoy your time.
Yes, enjoy myself.
Why,
You
Johnny?
enjoy for yourself?
All the while.
Face you, I calm down and I talk to you and say, I enjoy myself.
From the moment you come, I enjoy myself. Much less we sit down, I have that special time there.
You better be lucky inside you sleep and sleep back
I
funny.
same place me sleep, you know, because I don't want to turn, I don't want to change the spot.
Don't
I just want
change it.
same place.
Leopard chain skin, you know.
But I don't want you to change your skin, not your spot, right? I mean, not do that neither.
True. I'm hope later will be greater.
Yes. Next time around, you go be a better.
If there be a later.
No, man, I know say go better.
You have to stand up to your chat.
Yeah, man.
For you, man. Boy, money, you know.
Where you want to hug before I go over my yard?
Anything you say, princess.
A brotherly hug, you know, a sisterly hug or whatever, you know, like in a church.
All right. Take care of your pretty
Yeah,
self, yeah?
keep your hand to your
That me I do,
yes,
yeah.
later. Yes.
I said, no, sir. So, anytime you out there, son, and there are yes all here, wait me and watch me.
I said the fair thing. You know, cook.
It no matter anyways. Hold this. No, no, long chat we don't look hungry. What? Game, brother, game. If you want game, send a fit it out, I take game, send a fit it.
Come in.
All in do a sleep in a piece of old yard.
What for land?
Go on now, you can't hungry pie zone. Yes, no, you check not for you or what?
Are you new man that?
No worry yourself, you're gonna get something to eat.
No, me son, for you new
Go and go buy something. You will soon find out. Don't worry yourself. I'm not too enough to go about in the business now. That's all I know. I worry about me and live my life.
That one have money, boy. I tell us, you for land in hand.
Give hype up. Don't walk and chat me now. Give back me things. Give back my money.
Yo, forward.
Yeah, man, if you're not subscribed, I don't know you come to the end of It's Got to Be Me part 4. And unfortunately, we're gonna have a part 5. So stay tuned and look out. Tell a friend for tell a friend. And watch out. We want some equipment, you understand? So if you want to support the cause, just check the description, you see the PayPal, you understand? And there's a number that you can reach out to. Peace, love and respect. Yeah.